Alright, hello everyone. I welcome everybody back here again. Now we want to make a design with our Pixel Lab. So just a simple design on what on a food flyer. Design on a food flyer meant for a delivery company. Okay, first let's not forget to delete this. Once it has been deleted, we go to our image size and we'll fix our image size from there. Let's use 950 and you can see this 950 is in form of A4 paper. 950. Okay, let's change the color. Let's change the color to be let's use black. Let's use the color as black. So after that, let's just do something. Let's do something simple. Let's bring out a shape. 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 Okay. Let's edit. We are going to make the shape red. I just want to do something simple. I don't want to do something too serious. Let's make it red. If it's not reddish enough, you come to plus and you increase it. Now red. So you take it to whichever place you want it. Take it there, whichever place you wanted it. So you bring out another shape again. So this shape would help you to create, it will help you do something interesting here. Position. Don't forget, this position will help you to shift some things from one direction to the other. Position. Okay, press OK. And the next thing you do the next thing you want to do is to merge. So once you've merged, you now go towards erase color. You can see that's giving us that shape that we desire. So you can see we have a white edge here, but I will use this tolerance to clear off that white, to remove the white off the design. Okay, good. That one has been done. Let's just save. Now let's bring in another simple design. So let's bring in another simple design. Since we have a design here and we needed this design and it has a white background, we have to go to what? We will go to erase color. When we get to erase color will automatically remove the background, and we will try and increase the tolerance. Because if you increase it too much, the color would change somehow. But let's just bring it back a little bit. Okay, so we will have to go to color and change it to red. Red is what we actually needed for the design. So, and we're gonna bring it this way. We're gonna bring it down this way. We're creating a burger design for a delivery, an advert burger design for a delivery company. Good. We're getting there. We're getting there. So you have to what? You lock it again. Now let's. So since we have our design here, and we'll import our design. We're going to import our design. Do we understand? Once our design has been imported like this, the next thing we will do is to what? Is to make it an interesting one. Okay. Let's duplicate. Let's copy. Good. This is what we actually need. So we'll now create and what? We'll let this go to the back. This will come down here. Okay. Then we'll go to what? Eraser. We'll go to eraser. We'll increase this too. So it will help us remove some things from this place. Okay. Fine. So we are getting there gradually. So coming. I have to crank it back. So since it's like this, I'll have to make use of my opacity. I have to make use of my opacity. To make it look like eye reflector. Do we get that? I want to believe we're flowing. Okay. So we have to what? We have to lock it. So lock it. Good. And the next thing we want to fix is the name. Burger whatever. Let's make use of burger meat. Burger meat. Seed logistics. Okay, let's bring in our logo. So now that we have our bike being imported here, so the next thing we'll have to fix it. We will need to fix it, but to make it look real. We'll need 3D rotation. We need this 3D rotation to make it look real. This 3D rotation. This 3D rotation. Let's give it a shadow. Yeah. To add more life to it. Black. Okay, I want to believe we can see how it's going. So next thing we want to fix, or let's not even make use of this bike, let's use something else. Let's bring in another shape. Yeah. Okay, let's make it red too. Yes. By the time we're done with this design, it's going to be really okay. After that, we go to our shapes again, and we'll get that same circle again, and we will need to what? We need to reduce the opacity and give it a stroke. We need to reduce the opacity and increase our stroke. To increase our stroke, we are going to increase our stroke. Good. And we will reduce it down to the size of this. So we are going to make use of our relative position. We need to make use of our relative positioning, okay? Or we use position itself to make sure it's being centralized. Okay. Then we'll go to color and we'll make it white. Make it white. You can see something is coming up. We'll achieve something. So we type, we bring it in as 150 only. 150 only. 150. Let's lock these two so it will move. 150 only. Now let's go to our what? Let's go down to our font. $150 only. I think that I'm okay with this. ₦50. ₦50 only. I hope you're going with me. So the next thing we want to bring in is the name. Let's bring in the name. Let's bring in her name. And what name should we? Okay. Burger meat chips. Burger. So to get this will be. It's very easy. Burger meat. So we need to change the font rather. Change it to something catchy. Let's check if we have what we can change it to. Okay, let's go to my font and see and check for crazy fonts. Okay, burger. Copy. I told you copy. So this burger BU GER burger copy burger mix MEAT burger meat or meat burger meat burger meat burger. Let's just say special offer. It's SPECI special offer. Meat burger special offer. Okay, now let's go to the font again. We need to what? We need to change it. Yeah, let's use Create Round Regular special offer. Okay, and we'll come to our what? To our spacing. We'll come to our spacing and we'll increase it. Increase our spacing so it will help it look good. So let's unlock this burger and shift it a little bit. Let's unlock the first one, shifting it a little bit. You lock it back. You unlock the second one too, and we shift it down a little bit and we lock it back again. So let's pose to make it look more better again. Let's just give it a small sign, a small sign that would look good on it. A small sign, just a small sign to just to beautify the stuff and all that. Okay, let's give it a color. Let's go for brown. Let's see what brown color would say. Okay, it's not really the kind of brown we want. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay, we should make use of our opacity. Let's make use of our opacity. Okay, let's press OK and let's take it to the back. Take it to the back and let's use opacity to faint it down. Good. It's coming up to be something. Let's look. Okay. Okay, now let's put this. Let's go to our test. Let's make it this way. Let's input visit now. Yes, let's put visit now. VISIT visit now. Okay, let's go change the font. To something. Let's go change the font to something amazing. Yeah, visit now. Okay, visit now. Visit now at seed. This is now at seed. This is now at seed developers. Now seed developers.com.ng. And please, let's have this in mind. Anytime we are doing a design, let us not use too much of fonts and too much of color. How do I put it? Fonts you should use shouldn't be more than either 2 or 3. Highest of it is 3. Even if you want to make it go much than that, it shouldn't be more than 4, and your color shouldn't be too much. Okay, let's change the font. We've used. If you want to get familiar with your fonts very well, just come to recent, because it will give us the recent fonts we've used. So let's use Cret Round Regular here. You can see it here. You can see. So visit us at. This is set already. You can see it's coming to look like a real one now. So now let's just lock. And now that we've imported a delivery bike, the delivery bike has its own job to do too. Okay, let the delivery bike just come down here, and we'll bring in our logo. Now that we have our logo in here successful, so what we will need to reduce it. You can even zoom. You can zoom in to get what we actually wanted. You can zoom. So you can zoom. So let's give it shadow to bring out the effect. Okay. Good one. and we lock. Okay, you can see we have it there. So let's just use this special offer again. We are making use of this special offer again. Just click on what, copy, so it will be seed developer logistics. So you can see developer delivery. So we need to reduce it to be seed developer delivery. You can see seed developer delivery. Let's increase our T size. Okay. Position. And we have our meat burger special offer. Now let's just put something. Let's just see if we can put a life to it again. Shape. Okay, let's bring in this. Let's bring this in. Okay, let's give it color black. Let's make it white. Use this or it's white. Let's use this color. Just leave it like this. So it helps to look more beautiful. Thank you and thanks for watching.